welcome back to my channel. This is Tara Johnson here, and I'm so glad that you came back because I've just been gone for like 2 weeks, but you're here, so I appreciate you. So yeah, so this video is gonna be a room tour, but you know, of course I got a little sponsor, so I'm gonna put something right here where you can go, just in case you don't want to hear this part, but I'm just gonna let you know anyway. And some of the items are actually gonna be in this video, so just before that you get to the video and you ask me where these items came from, I ain't gonna tell you because I'm telling you right now. Okay, period. Okay, so FABFITFUN, yeah, did I say that FABFITFUN? Girl, cause I be saying fit fab fun. It's too many F's going on right here, so yes. FABFITFUN sent me this beautiful spring box, but what I like about this box is actually it's just not just makeup, it's not just like fab stuff, you know, like fashion, and it's not just like what's the other one? We got makeup, fitness. So if you're not into fitness, you may be into makeup. If you're not into fashion, you may be into working out. So I got all that for the girls. You feel me? Okay, so when you open it up, it was some things that wasn't there for me. Like, okay, I'm just open up this box. Okay, cause I'm doing all this talking, but hopefully it's making you feel better. You know, your day's going better or whatever, cause you see me on the screen. So anyway, it has some mascara, and I'm gonna tell you one thing about these eyelashes: ain't no mascara, ain't no serum, and yes, I'm saying ain't no. Yes, I did major in English from the University of Virginia, graduated May 19, 2013. However, I'm gonna say ain't, and ain't no mascara, ain't no eye serum or lash serum that's gonna make these lashes pop. So I really didn't care for this one. So this is the Mile High Club Wander Beauty Volume and Length Mascara. I could show you on my eyelashes, but it would be a waste of your time. Okay, so then they also had the Fierce Clicks, and this is a liner, and like I've been saying, I haven't been into makeup, so I haven't really tried it or whatever, but I'll just show you guys how deep and dark it is. Can you see that? Hopefully you saw that. But those are the two items that I was into, you know. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is another item I haven't tried. I'm showing you the 3 items I haven't tried. Yeah, so I want to get that out the way. This is the Winky Luxe, and it's cute. It's like a little rainbow or whatever, and it's you know, some chapstick. See, I'm a I'm more of a coconut oil shea butter baby, you know, type girl, so I probably will not reach for this. Since I used it, I can't give it to nobody. I'm sorry. So you guys, besides the box, I really wanted to show you what I actually enjoyed from this particular FABFITFUN box. All right, so I don't know. Should I go from least favorite to favorite to favorite to favorite? I don't have a least favorite. I really like all of these things because they fit my aura, they fit my lifestyle. So the first thing I'm going to show you is an umbrella. I was going to buy an umbrella, but it rains a lot here in Korea, so it's springtime. I was like, umbrella, thank you guys. I don't have to buy my own. I haven't opened it to see how big or anything. It has a little bit of ruffles or whatever, but it feels really sturdy. I haven't actually used it yet, but just the mere fact that they put an umbrella in there, it just made my day. I felt like, dang, I don't gotta spend no money on this, and I actually really needed an umbrella, and it's small and compact, so it can go inside your purse, and that's another thing I liked about it. Enough about the umbrella. Okay, so the next thing is I'm really big on like kitchen, skincare. I don't know if I said that already, but they put these in there as well. So you can put, you're like, what is that? You can put your teapot, any like hot pots or anything, you can put it up here. And I was like, this is perfect. The more of these that I have in my kitchen, the better. So I was happy about that. So, okay, see, it's some good stuff. And then we had some hand lotion. It's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It's like deep sleep body cocoon. I think that's the brand, or This Works is the brand, and it smells so good. You know, it has good things in there. The first thing is water, glycerin, you know, so I'm just like, I'm moisturized. So yeah, it's really thick, and so I really, my hand, you want, my hands stay moisturized. I really like this. I leave this next to my bed, and then I just put this on my hand. I put too much, you guys. Too much. I got too excited. See, personality just coming out. Just okay. So then the next thing that I got from this is my most favorite thing, because I'm telling you, they were reading my mind. I said I am going to buy one, and I was looking on Amazon, because you know Amazon is popping right now, and it's a weighted face mask or eye mask. And when I go to sleep, like after I do my eye cream, I know I look crazy, but I put this on my face, and I'm telling you, I don't know if it's just the pressure or whatever, and I'm just laying down, I'm sleeping. I go to sleep in like 5 minutes. I wake up refreshed. I feel so scrumptious when I wake up. I feel so refreshed. I'm not even, look, I told y'all what I didn't like. Now I'm telling you what I did like, and I'm telling you this is my favorite thing in this box, and I just feel so refreshed, and I feel scrumptious when I wake up in the morning. Last thing from this box, because I could talk a lot, is this rug, and you'll see it in my room, and I actually got it from here. It's kind of from this box. It's like a canvas almost. It's easy to wash. I've washed it. I had it for like more than 2 weeks, and I wash my rugs once a week along with my sheets, but not in the same batch. We separate that because that's nasty. So yeah, this is that. So you'll see that in my room, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to check out FABFITFUN down below, and if there's a coupon code, I'll have that as well down below, and I will see you guys in the rest of the video. Actually not, but I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, bye. Okay, you guys, so this is the rest of my room. We go out into the common area. So the bathroom is right over there with the sink, as well as that is the front door. That's the only door to exit our room. And then this is our living room. So we have our board, which my roommate always leaves me notes. And then this is our kitchen. So that's what she's looking like. And you also get a microwave and a large refrigerator. So these are some items that we have up here. I know I definitely need to clean it up, but this is everything. This is what gets me through work, and then this is what I use to get the sniffles away. I have ginger and honey, that's what that is, and then these are dry, so I will eventually put them up, but I've been lazy. And some of my supplements over there, and our stove area. So on this side, this is our sink area. So this is what it's looking like here. And then in here is the bathroom. Baby wipes all day. Oops. There we go. So this is the toilet area. I wish that it had something that flaps over. You know, I just hate that it's so exposed right here. And then this is the bath area. So this area, that's mine, like my face stuff and like my body stuff and my little caddy. And that's my roommates. My roommates. I'm basically taking up all the space. And then it looks dirty, right? It was way worse when I first got here. If you know any ideas other than bleach, some Ajax, bleach, Ajax, Clorox, same thing. Anything other than that, then let me know, because I would love that help. And then with my floor, it was way dirtier than this. I had to use a buffer to get it up. So if you're ever in a barracks, and my walls, I had to paint them. So yeah, at first I started painting them. I started painting my room. But then I called DPW and then they came and cleaned the rest. If you hear the wind, I'm sorry about that. Here's an overall look of my room one more time. And thank you, FABFITFUN, for that rug. All right, you guys, here's a night view of my room. Just know that in the barracks, you cannot have candles. I just did this for aesthetic reasons. And I'm sorry I didn't show you guys my closet, but it's just a bike in there that I use for traveling. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for 12K. You guys are amazing. Check out my Snapchat and Instagram for workout inspiration. And you guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.